Hey everyone, Luna Marie Wolf here, and sorry for the bad camera quality. I am recording this on my computer, and so my room's kind of a mess, so that's why the camera is angled upwards, because we are about to go on vacation as of right now, but whenever I upload this video, it is going to be after we go to vacation, obviously. Okay, so these are just some August updates, like some updates I'm going to give you guys before August starts, because right now it is actually July 30th, but this is just some updates before we head into August. Okay, got a new chicken, a little chick. I don't have her with me. She's outside with the other chickens. We got a new rabbit. My sister did. It is a small little female. We thought it was a male, but the lady there was just a complete butthole. That's all I'm gonna say. She was a complete butthole to our animals. We sadly lost our male buck. That's why we were able to get another rabbit, but we will be having to get another buck soon because now we have 2 does, no buck. That doesn't work out. I got my driver's permit. I am successfully adulting. Woohoo! A chick was born on my birthday, July 1st. I'm not sure if I have talked about her yet on this channel, but yeah. We caught 2 rats. We caught one in a water bucket, and then we caught another one in a trap that we had. I turned 17 July 1st. That was my birthday, actually, July 1st. And we had a new baby cow at our second house, and it has turned out to be a little bull, and it is so adorable. Oh my gosh. The grass that he's in, it's too small. Well, it's too long for him, so whenever he lays down, all you can see is his little nose and his head pop up. It's so cute. Okay, so those are my August updates. We are going to most likely hit 250 videos whenever we get to by the end of August. We should have 250, maybe, hopefully, crossing fingers, crossing everything, hopefully. Also, my beta fish will be turning 3 months, August 9th. So once they get to the size where I can start selling them, I will start selling them on my social media, and I'll sell them on Facebook, Instagram. Then I'll see if you guys want any of them. I'll put up a video and be like, hey, I'm selling beta fish. I'll send you guys pictures. Probably will be a live stream, not sure. But those will start going on sale August 9th. If you want to, please go down into the description and go and follow me, like my post, whatever, so you can be caught up on my social media and you can look for those notifications of whenever I'm putting them out for sale, and you can snatch one up quickly before it gets put onto YouTube. I'm going to hit my social media first, and then I'm going to do YouTube, and then I'm going to go onto Craigslist and see if anybody on Craigslist wants them. But those are just my August updates for right now, guys. So it is July 30th, and this is me doing August update. Okay. So, thank you guys so much for watching this, like, almost 4-minute video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and to go down into the description box and to follow me on social media, so you will be able to get these beta fish that are coming out. They are really cute and really freaking adorable. There's already one that's blowing a bubble nest, and I'm just like, what are you doing? You're not even 3 months old yet, and you're already trying to have babies of yourself? Like, trying to have babies? I don't know, fish are weird. Okay, so thank you guys, and I will see you guys later. Bye!